Hey there, my friends. There are two crucial things that you need to know about installing this sprinkler controller before you spend your money on it. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second. In fact, I'm going to show you the entire process. I have my old sprinkler controller right here, and I'm going to swap it out for this one. I'm going to show you every step of the process so that you can do it on your own flawlessly and everything works perfect. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to take a picture of the panel and the way that it's set up right now, just so I can reference it to know exactly where my wires go when I put the new panel in. And then I can reference what color of wire goes to which zone to make sure that none of my programming is off when I go to reprogram the new panel. Next, I just want to detach all the wires that are going into this panel. So right now, this panel has screw connectors. So you just loosen those screws up, take the wires out. The new panel that we're putting in is nice because there's just little clamps. I'll show you that in just a second. You're gonna wanna know how to use those and get a good contact on them. Next, we're just gonna take this old panel off the wall. It's just held on by a couple of screws. So I'm gonna take these screws out. Now with this panel, there's just a magnetic cover, which is really nice. You can just grab a hold of it right here on the bottom, and the cover just pops right off. So now we're ready to put the new panel up, and you can see it's mounted just by 3 screw holes here. So we just wanna find the spot that works right for the panel, probably about right there, and screw it in and make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, now that we've got the panel secure, now we need to connect the wires. And this is where I'm gonna reference the photo that I took to make sure that I get the right wires into the right zone. Now these are really cool because you don't need any screws or screwdrivers in order to tighten or loosen them. They're just little tabs that you push up. And when you put the wire in, it automatically clamps onto the wire and you can't pull it out until you push that tab again. So it keeps them nice and secure. So my white wire is my common wire, and I've actually got 2 wires twisted together, and it still fits into the spot, which is really nice. So now I just need to sort out my zones. Green is zone number 1. All your zones are labeled here up top. So I want to put my green into the zone 1 spot, and so on until I've got all of my wires connected in the proper order for the programming. Once I've got all of those programming wires in, now it's ready to be plugged in. The power cord that comes with it is a regular power on one end, and then your barrel style power cord on the other end. Let's see if we can get that to focus right here. There we go. And you want to run that up through the bottom, and it plugs into the unit just right there. And then we're going to take this and plug it into the wall. Once you plug that in, it's going to let you know that it has power and it's ready to sync up. And you can follow the connection instructions. There's a QR code right here on the panel. I had to tape it up for this video, but you can scan that QR code. It will help you download the app, and it will help you set up all of your zones and get it connected to your Wi-Fi and get everything running the way that it's supposed to be. So now it's time for us to get us all set up on our phones on the Ratio app. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in knowing how to install this panel. Oh, I almost forgot. Once you have everything programmed and ready to go, you can just pop the cover on just like that, and it looks really nice. You do have manual controls here, so you can actually control, you can start it and move through your zones if you wanted to run anything manually just from the panel, or of course you can do everything from the app. So now we're gonna go get this set up onto the Wi-Fi and get it connected and get our zones and our schedules set up. I hope this video has been helpful in knowing what it's gonna take to install this panel. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.